Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to block someone on Roblox using your PS5. It's a quick and simple way to ensure a safe and enjoyable gaming experience. So now let's get started. First, in order to block a player on Roblox on PS5, you need to open Roblox on your PS5 first. Then start the Roblox application from your PlayStation 5 home screen and go to the player's profile. There are two ways to find the player's profile. If you're in the same game as the player, you can press the options or the menu button on your controller. Then open the players list and select the player you wish to block. If you want to search for the player, you can go to the search or people section and enter the player's username. After that, go ahead, open their profile page and block the player. And now the player will be blocked. If you want to unblock them, you need to go ahead, press the PS5 button on your controller to open the control center and select the game base. Press the options button on your controller and select go to game base. Select the game base settings. Select blocked players and then choose unblock next to the blocked player. And if you want to add the unblocked player to your friends list, send a new friend request. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.